Hello guys, what is going on? tehcroomuk here. So for today's video we got a quite special power bank. I don't know the exact brand, but the name is PS618 solar charger power bank. So it can charge via solar, or it has a dynamo, a hand crank, so you can crank it and you will charge it up. Obviously you have to do it quite some time to be able to get an actual charge, but it's good to have it in case of an emergency. So yeah, if you travel a lot, if you are camping a lot, or if you want to just stock it out as a survival item, this is one of the best power banks you can get. It's waterproof, it's got some LED lights, it comes with included cables. I think it's micro USB, type C and lightning port. You can charge it via solar or via crank. 4 LEDs, bright flashlight with 3 modes, super bright, SOS and strobe lighting. Strobe lighting is the one that flashes really quickly. So some functionality on the back, 2 output ports, hand crank, IP65 waterproof, type C, micro or solar charging. Of course that's how you charge it, either that or like with a hand crank. It's coming with 3 charging cables, LED lights with 3 modes, steady, SOS and strobe. Some warnings: do not drop it or disassembly, avoid fire or overheating. A rugged weatherproof series, and it's compatible with iPad, GPS, phones, calculators, iPods, gaming consoles, anything that can be charged. You can charge it with this power bank. I think it's got 30,000 milliamp hours, but I'm not sure. We'll have to test that to see how long you will charge, how many times you will charge your phone and so on. So it's great for traveling, camping, hiking, fishing, going to the beach. Yeah, it's basically like a survival item, so it's nice to have it in your possession if you find yourself in one of the situation where you need to charge your phone and you don't have nothing to charge it with. Leave it on in the sun for a little bit and it will charge itself, and then plug your phone in. So let's open it up and see what we actually get inside. It's all opened up. As we can see, we get like an attachment to attach it to like one of your accessories, something like that, to hang it. We get USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable, so you can charge it with the USB-C cable that's coming included in the box. And let's take it out. Oh, it's quite heavy. What else we have here? Warranty and user manual. Okay, let's have a look at the power bank itself. It's quite thick, it's rugged, waterproof. The ports, the charging ports, are here under this rubber seal. Take it out like this so you can use them. So you got 2 USB-A's, 1 micro USB input, and 1 Type-C, which I think it's input and output as well. So you can have a Type-C to Type-C, or Type-A to Type-C, or Type-A to Lightning. You get the point. It's actually sealed perfectly, so water won't come in and short it. On the back we have 3 cables, so you get Type-C, and the other one is micro USB, and the other one it's for iPhones, iPads, lightning charging cable. And this is how it looks. It's quite slim, it fits, it's nice to have it. It's nice to have it in the power bank, so you don't have to actually look for cables. Just have them here in case of an emergency, you'll be all good. Of course, this is the crank. You can crank it up just like so and it will charge. Obviously you gotta do it a bit faster and for a good period of time, but you know, better than nothing. And the solar panel on the front. uh, to open the to turn on the light, we have to locate this button right here, double press it. This is the normal mode. Press it once, we'll go to SOS. Press it once, we'll go to strobe. Double press it to turn it off. And here we got some battery indicator lights. The green one means it's charging via light. So as you can see, even here, if I go in front of the window, the green light is always on, and the blue ones will actually indicate the remaining capacity of the battery. So yeah, overall it's a great power bank. It surprisingly is not really heavy, but it's definitely bulky. It won't fit in any regular pocket. But if you got a backpack or whatever, or a trolley, whatever you're gonna get, keep it in your car. It's very good for that purpose. It will actually charge anything, so anything that can be charged, your camera, your Nintendo Switch, your phone, your tablet, whatever you have, you can charge it. They claim it's 30,000 milliamp hours, so that's enough to charge my phone 8 times, something like that. So quite good capacity. And right now it's a deal on Amazon. I'll put it in the description below. You can get it with 15% discount. And pretty much that's it. If you guys want to buy it, check the link down below, because I don't know the name of the brand, so I cannot recommend you which brand it is, so you can go look for it. But I'll put the link into the description below. If you guys want to buy it, right now it's a sale going on Amazon. A really good deal. I think it's 20 something pounds. It's very convenient. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.